from the Bone of the Month Club.
This one's gonna be for me. Now what's your big idea? Fully.
Gee, everybody got mail. Except for Donald.
Don't worry, Donald. Maybe there'll be a special delivery today.
All right. Come on, Billy Kitten. Let's go for a walk.
Poor Donald. Gosh, we ought to do something for him so he doesn't feel sad.
I know how we can cheer up Donald. We could send him a special delivery package.
Yes, and all of us can put something in it.
Why, that's a great idea. Will you help us put together a special delivery package for Donald? You will? Well, hot dog. Let's go to the Mouseketeer and get our Mouseketeer tools. Mousker high, Mousker high, Mousker ho. Mousker ready, Mousker set, here we go. You're a thinking and a solid working doer. Mousker me, Mousker you, Mouseketeer. Mousker me, Mousker you, Mouseketeer. Oh, Doodle, time to get to it. Show us the Mouseketeer tools to help us do it. Miska, Muska, Mouseketeer. Mousket tools! Mousket tools! Mousket tools!
Here are your Mouseketeer tools.
A butterfly net. Ooh! A giant mallet. That's like a big hammer. A ribbon. Aw, pretty. And the mystery Mousket tool. That's a surprise tool that can help us later. Tools have the tools.